Right, I've gone round and squirted all the nuts and bolts with releasing fluid, and most of them have loosened. I'm going to start by removing the steering rack, and I think to do that I need to release these ball joints first and remove those 4 bolts, and probably release that bolt on the universal joint. I'll start that first. Right, whip the wheel off using a hammer to undo the knock-on, and what I've done with this ball joint, because that's what it said on the internet, is to put a bit of metal underneath and I hit it very hard on the top with the hammer, and they're right, it does sort of pop off. Brilliant. So you can only really do that when you've got access to it. I'll just do the same to the opposite side. I think I've actually decided to remove this caliper first, so I'm just going to undo the nut on that flexible hose, and I'm going to undo it there where it meets the brake pipe. So that seems to be coming away. With a 9/16 spanner. That's it. And then there's something underneath there holding it as well. It's not a 5/8. Let's check the socket size. Right, so it's a 9/16 that's holding that. So that obviously unscrews there. Wing. Right, that's the 9/16. I have photographed this as well, so I can try and remember how it all goes back together, and then presumably that will come off with a bit of persuasion in a minute. Right, so that's the flexible hose loosened there and here. A bit of brake fluid coming out of that. Wash my hands in a sec. Copper washer. Copper washer top and bottom. Good. Now I want to get the caliper off here and here. They've already loosened, so I'll just drop the caliper off. Right, so got these little nuts off this bracket. I think they were a half, and I'm guessing, although I've had to use quite a big bar here, this is a 5/8 socket. It's a bit deeper, and I'm hoping that if I release this, the caliper comes off. I think I'll swap to a I think I'll swap to a normal socket for a minute, but I'll just see if I can get those off. I'm guessing the caliper comes off with those. And indeed it does. So these sit in here. So that's a 5/8, and that's the caliper off. I'll look at those later. Odd way of holding that in. Get those pads out later on. Right, just going to have a look at the next job that's due. Okay.